Hyundai continues to solidify its position as a safety leader in the automotive industry, boasting an impressive 9 top safety pick recognitions from the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety, IIHS. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe and 2024 Sonata have both received the coveted top safety pick designation, while the Hyundai IONIQ 5 has been elevated to the highest level of safety recognition, Top Safety Pick Plus. What sets the 2024 IONIQ 5 apart is its achievement of the TSP Plus rating, attributed to its advancements in rear occupant safety. This accomplishment aligns with the new offset deformable crashworthiness evaluation, known as ODB 2.0, which now includes rear occupant safety as a requirement for the TSP Plus designation. Hyundai's dedication to enhancing safety features has resulted in this prestigious recognition. The IIHS's stringent testing criteria aim to prevent fatalities and protect all vehicle occupants. Hyundai has risen to the challenge by implementing various improvements across its product lineup. Enhanced side structures, advanced seat belts for rear occupants, and SmartSense safety features, such as forward collision avoidance assist and lane departure warning, are now standard in Hyundai vehicles. These enhancements not only meet but exceed the evolving safety standards set by IIHS. Cole Stutz, Chief Safety Officer at Hyundai Motor North America, emphasized Hyundai's commitment to providing safe vehicles that prioritize the protection of customers and other road users. With the addition of the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe and Sonata to the list of IIHS TSP recipients, Hyundai demonstrates its unwavering dedication to safety excellence. Hyundai's proactive approach to safety extends beyond meeting current standards. The company has also invested in pedestrian crash avoidance systems, earning good ratings for the standard front crash prevention systems on the Santa Fe and Sonata. Even the system included with the IONIQ 5 is rated as acceptable, showcasing Hyundai's commitment to comprehensive safety measures. To earn an IIHS Top Safety Pick or Top Safety Pick Plus rating, vehicles must excel in various crash tests and safety assessments. This includes earning good ratings in tests for small overlap front, moderate overlap front, and side impacts, along with acceptable or good ratings for pedestrian front crash prevention and headlights across all trim levels. Hyundai's dedication to safety innovation and excellence not only benefits its customers but also contributes to overall road safety. By consistently meeting and exceeding stringent safety standards, Hyundai continues to set the benchmark for automotive safety in the industry. For more information on Hyundai's commitment to safety and the IIHS Top Safety Pick program, visit IIHS.org.